What if protecting your money is just as important as growing it? Most people get this wrong. But here's why Secure Wealth USA continues to attract attention in 2026. Secure Wealth USA focuses on financial protection, structured growth, and risk management. It's designed for users who prioritize security and predictability over fast gains. From the start, the platform emphasizes transparency and conservative planning. The onboarding process includes a detailed financial assessment. Based on this, Secure Wealth recommends strategies aligned with user risk tolerance. You won't believe how many platforms skip the step and leave users guessing. One standout feature is its layered security approach. In addition to standard protections, Secure Wealth includes behavioral monitoring that flags unusual activity patterns before transactions finalize. Secure Wealth also offers guided wealth building options designed to preserve capital while generating gradual returns. This is especially appealing for users nearing major financial milestones like home purchases or retirement planning. The downside is limited flexibility. High-risk investors and short-term traders may find the platform too cautious. In conclusion, Secure Wealth USA in 2026 is still worth it for users who value protection, structure, and long-term financial peace of mind. If safety and clarity matter to you, subscribe now for more in-depth financial reviews that put your interests first. Title start Freedom Flow Bank Review 2026. Is it still worth it? Title BNE script start What if your bank worked around your life instead of forcing you to work around it? Most people get this wrong, but here's why Freedom Flow Bank keeps gaining attention in 2026. Freedom Flow Bank is a digital-first bank designed around cash flow flexibility. Instead of focusing only on balances, it centers on how money moves in and out of your life. This makes it especially appealing for people with irregular income, side hustles, or fluctuating expenses. Opening an account is fast and fully online. After identity verification, users link an existing bank or direct deposit their paycheck. Once funds arrive, Freedom Flow automatically organizes money into spending, bills, and savings buckets. You won't believe how much stress this removes when everything has a clear purpose. One standout feature is Flow Guard. This system predicts upcoming expenses and warns you days in advance if your balance may dip too low. Most overdrafts happen because people react too late, and this feature is designed to stop that cycle before it starts. Freedom Flow also offers modest interest on savings balances, higher than traditional banks, but not the highest on the market. The trade-off is usability. Funds remain liquid, with no penalties or lockups, making it easy to move money when life changes. Security is solid, with real-time alerts, biometric login, and instant card controls. However, the platform does not offer advanced investment tools or credit-building features, which may be a drawback for some users. In conclusion, Freedom Flow Bank in 2026 is still worth it if you want clarity, flexibility, and control over your cash flow. If your income isn't perfectly predictable, this bank can be a powerful ally. Subscribe for more honest banking reviews that help you stay ahead.